Hello and welcome. My name is Paul and this sleepy dog is Missy, and together our channel is Posture Pilates. So today I'll guide you through the back rowing on the Reformer. As always, I will offer you a beginner, an intermediate, followed by an advanced level. Please note, these videos are a guide. You may have learnt these exercises with a slightly different modification, variation, or breathing. My specific version has been developed over time from teaching different abilities, body shapes, and ages. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It's free of charge, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us to grow the channel and create more content such as this. Also, if you have any exercises you would like me to cover, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and enjoy. For the purpose of this video, I will be demonstrating 4 levels. We start with the back rowing prep, which consists of roll down with bicep curl, and roll down with obliques. Bring yourself sitting onto the Reformer with one hand width between you and the back of the carriage. The arms are extended out in front of you with the fists together. The legs are resting between the shoulder pads, either straight or with a slight flexed knee. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, draw the tailbone under, flexing the lumbar spine as low as the abdominals remain flat. Simultaneously, flex the elbows, pulling the hands towards the sternum to allow the carriage to move out. Inhale, lift through the lumbar and extend the arms out in front. Exhale, roll back, drawing the fists towards the chest. Inhale, lift through the lumbar and extend the elbows. Perform 3 to 4 repetitions. Moving on to the roll down with bicep curls. Once more, roll down the spine into lumbar flexion, this time keeping the arms extended out in front of you with the palms facing up. Inhale, stay. Exhale, flex the elbows. Inhale, extend the elbows. Try to maintain the elbow height. Don't allow the arms to lift and lower as you flex and extend. Perform 6 to 8 repetitions before finally extending the elbows and rolling back up through the spine. Roll down with obliques, level 1. Exhale, roll down. Inhale, stay. Exhale, keeping the carriage still, rotate the upper torso round to the right. Inhale, return to the center. Exhale, rotate to the left before lifting back up through the spine. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, stay. Exhale, rotate round to the left. Inhale, return to the center. Exhale, rotate to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, roll up and extend the arms forward. Roll back with obliques, level 2. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, stay. Once more, rotate the torso to the right, followed by an extension of the arms into an L shape with a slightly flexed elbow. Return the fists back to the chest. Inhale, return to the center. Exhale, repeat the action on the left side. Inhale, return to the center, and this time, as you exhale, flex your torso over the legs, keeping the hands towards the chest before inhale, rolling up and extending the arms out in front. Exhale, roll back. Inhale. Exhale, rotate the chest and extend the arms. Bring the arms back to the chest. Inhale to the center. Exhale, rotate the opposite direction. Extend the arms. Inhale, return to the center. Exhale, flex over the legs. Inhale, roll up through the spine and extend the arms. Moving on to the beginner level, which features the round back and the straight back. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, roll back into the C curve, drawing the fist to the chest. Inhale, open the arms out to the side, keeping the carriage still with your hands in peripheral vision. Exhale, roll up from the base of the lumbar spine and float the arms forward. Inhale, stay. Exhale, roll back, draw the fist to the chest. Inhale, open the arms, keeping the carriage still. Exhale, roll up, extending the arms out in front. Think of pressing the knuckles backwards to avoid buckling of the wrists. Moving on to straight back, extend the arms out at shoulder height with the palms facing upwards. Inhale, prepare. As you exhale, maintain a strong straight spine and hinge at the hip joint, simultaneously flexing the elbows to 90 degrees. Inhale, return yourself back to sitting as you extend the elbows. Maintaining a straight spine, press the hands to the side of the frame, moving the shoulder joint into extension. Inhale, float the arms back up to shoulder height with the palms facing upwards. Exhale, hinge. Inhale, return. Exhale, press back. Inhale, resist up. Watch you don't hinge forward as you press the arms back. Let's have a look at the intermediate level, once more with the round back and straight back. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, roll back into the C curve as you draw the fists towards the chest. Inhale, open the arms out to the side, however this time have the palms facing backwards. Exhale, initiating from the abdominals, flex the torso forward over the legs, simultaneously pressing the arms behind the shoulders with the palms facing each other. Inhale, keep the torso flexed forward and circle the arms up and out to the side. Exhale and reach the arms all the way forward over the feet with the palms facing outwards. Inhale, roll up the spine, returning to neutral whilst returning the arms to start position. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, hinge at the hip, pressing the arms back. Inhale, float the arms out to the side. Exhale, reach the arms forward. Inhale, roll up. As you hinge at the hip and press the arms behind you, think of circling around the shoulder joint. Do your best to maintain this carriage as stable as possible. Straight back. Please note here the change of breathing from the beginner level. Inhale, hinge at the hip and bend the elbows to 90 degrees. Exhale, return the torso to vertical, bringing the weight on top of the sit bones. Simultaneously, stabilizing the scapula, extend the arms towards the ceiling with the palms facing each other. Inhale, continue hinging at the pelvis as far as possible, maintaining a long spine with the arms reaching by the ears. Exhale, flex the spine forward over the legs. Press the hands down and back, directly behind the shoulders to move the carriage out. Inhale, circle the arms up and out to the side. Then reach the arms all the way forward over the feet, palms facing out to return the carriage. Exhale, lengthen the spine, returning to neutral, simultaneously returning arms to the start position. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, lift. Inhale, reach. Exhale, circle. Inhale, bring the arms forward. Exhale, roll up through the spine. As you reach forward, I would suggest softening the knees to maintain a strong, straight spine. And finally, the advanced level. For this specific level, I'm choosing to have the feet crossed. The round back starts the same. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, open the arms to the side. Maintaining the same lumbar flexion, press the arms back to bring the hands in line with the shoulders. Exhale, flex the torso over the legs, simultaneously pressing the arms back before interlacing the fingers. Keeping the fingers together, raise the hands up towards the sky as high as the shoulder joint will allow. Inhale, circle the arms out to the side. Exhale, reach the arms all the way over the feet. Inhale, roll up the spine. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, open the arms and press them back. Exhale, flex forward and raise the arms up. Inhale, circle halfway. Exhale, reach over the feet. Inhale, roll up the spine. For straight back, I will offer 3 variations, increasing in challenge. Inhale, hinge. Exhale, reach up. Inhale, extend. Exhale, circle the arms, flex forward. Interlace the fingers, raise the arms up. Inhale, circle the arms all the way. Exhale, roll up. Variation 2. Inhale, hinge back. Exhale, extend the arms whilst hinged back. Bring the torso back on top of the sit bones and inhale, reach the arms forward. Exhale, press the arms down and back. Interlace the fingers, raise the arms up. Inhale, circle towards the feet. Exhale, roll up. Variation 3. Inhale, hinge back. Exhale, extend the arms, and now move the thoracic spine into extension. Return the head back in line with the arms and bring the torso back to vertical. Inhale, hinge forward. Exhale, press the arms down and back. Raise the arms up. Inhale, circle the arms forward. Exhale, roll up. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell to be notified of future video releases.